What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow prodigy. If it is your first time on this channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. In this video, we're going to be going over how to Ollie. Let's get into it. Now, part one of learning the Ollie is foot placement. Now, no matter what, your back foot is always going to the edge of your tail. Now, as far as your front foot goes, it's solely based on your preference. Some people like their front foot towards the middle of the board, while others place their front foot towards the nose. Now, me personally, I don't necessarily have a preference. Sometimes my front foot is towards the middle of the board, while other times I've noticed my front foot towards my nose as well. Now that you understand the foot placement, now comes time for the actual pop or jump of the Ollie itself. Now there's two different ways of popping up with your Ollie. You can either jump up with enough force that the board naturally pops up with you, or you can slide your front foot towards the nose just like in skateboarding. Now again, I personally don't have a preference. I find myself using both methods. You want to completely squat down and bend both knees, and on your way back up, you're going to let your front foot come up first and then allow your back foot to come up and follow right after. When you're jumping up in the air, your front foot is going to be coming up first, which will allow the board to pop straight up. Then when you bring your back foot up right afterwards, that will then help level out the board completely in the air, allowing you a smooth landing. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And since you're still here, might as well show some more love and hit that bell-shaped icon. That's the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you on the next one.